welcome to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is testing out Covergirl. I think these are new products. I've just seen them for the first time. They were on a display shelf at my Rite Aid, so I picked up a whole bunch of them and we're going to see if we like it or not. So first things first, the first product is the Vitalist Glow. It's a luminizing lotion, and this is the lightest one that my Rite Aid had, but it doesn't have like a color name on it or anything. It just says Covergirl New Vitalist Glow Lotion, or Luminizing Lotion. It has vitamins E, B3, and B5 in it. It looks really dark. Like, I don't know if this is going to match my skin tone. Alright, I'm not going to judge it yet, but just so you guys know, it does smell absolutely disgusting. Maybe this CoverGirl idea wasn't the greatest idea. I had no CoverGirl makeup. I looked through all my stuff to see if I had like CoverGirl primer or anything, and I had none. It smells like SPF and a farm mixed together. Like, that's exactly what I imagine this would smell like. It's like if someone didn't want to get sunburnt and they were working on a farm. This is what they would smell like when they got home. Like, there's no coverage whatsoever. It's just lotion. Why is it even, like, I know it says illuminizing lotion, but I thought it was like tinted moisturizer. This is not, there's no tint to this. Now my face is just going to be super greasy all day, so cool. And on my hand where I had it, it's sparkly as fuck. If you like that sort of thing. Like, it didn't say a shade name on any of them, which I thought was weird, but it was like clearly lighter than the one next to it. Or am I just insane? If anybody knows what is up with that, let me know. Maybe I'm just crazy and I just like assumed because it was with all the other it was right next to all day setting spray. Like, what are you doing, CoverGirl? And it was right next to concealer. Like, I just assumed, okay, I'm gonna use some Almay tinted moisturizer shit. Alright, so this stuff, and this is skin tone matching, so that's one of the reasons that I like this so much. Our next product that we have is going to be CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, and it looks like this. This is interesting. So it's like that Maybelline stuff. I think it's Maybelline that makes it. It's like that, like you have to crank this and then it comes out. I don't know, let's see if any product comes out. It looks like it's empty, honestly. Like, I don't know if you can see, but up in there, it doesn't even start until like here. It's starting to come down now, slowly. Oh my god, this is like half empty. Okay, slowly, we're getting there. The concealer I got for $5.64, but that's because it was on sale because I bought 2 products, you know? Regularly, it's $11.29. Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous. Like, honestly, I'm really hoping that these products get better. I think I'm gonna really like the lipstick that I got. I hope. And the highlighter. I was hoping to like it, but this must be why I quit buying CoverGirl when I was like 12. It's still draining. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Oh. Not liking this. Come on. I hate this so much already. This brush is like hard. Oh my gosh. This is gonna drive me insane. Look how much is already gone. I think that this worked much better with this brush than with my beauty blender. No, the concealer doesn't look too bad. I'm going to use some under eye setting powder from e.l.f. I hate when you do your whole entire face and you think that it looks great and then you get a little closer and you realize, oh fuck, like I look crazy. You're like, you know, when you realize, oh, I can't go outside like this. So this is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter slash Illuminator. And it looks like this. Oh, and I got it in shade Moonbeam. So the inside looks like this. I'm just going to pull some out with my nail. And so it's like a mousse kind of thing, I think. How do I even... It just crumpled up and fell on me. I have nails, like how am I supposed to apply this? They could have given me something to apply it with if it was going to be like that. It's like putty, but like dry. Like this isn't even like a mousse. It's like, it's literally like dry, and then you have to like rub the little dry ball around. Wow, that is beautiful. It's pretty sick, honestly. I want to cover my, I feel like Jeffree Star right now. I want to cover my entire body in this highlighter. But as I'm applying this, it's falling into my lap. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but could they have made a little bit better of a formula? Like a more blendable formula? All blended. So, I like this. I feel like it's not super easy to use, but I do like it. This is our next one. So, I got it in soft brown. Oh, there's a brush in the lid. I have a brush that I usually use for mine. What I usually will do is I'll flip this over and then I'll just hold it in my hand like this, and then I'll dip the little brush in there, and then I tap it off on here. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do these in the viewfinder, so I'll be right back. That did not work out so well. I look like a crazy person now. It's like more liquidy than you would expect. Not like liquidy, but it really goes on easy. Like I tapped it off on the lid and everything. It still came out like crazy. Like build it up. If you're gonna buy this, definitely build it up. Anyways, moving on from that, our next product is actually old as hell. It's like super old. It's CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus. It was the only CoverGirl product I already owned. The old CoverGirl eyeliner that I had is fine. Let's try this lipstick, which is with the new line. I got it in Ballerina. CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about this packaging. You can see through the bottle underneath the white. I wonder where the lipstick actually starts. Let's twist it down all the way. It still barely covered the doe foot. There's a chunk in there that you can push around. Do you see that? This has like barely anything in it. Honestly, that's so ridiculous. This is a brand new thing. I've never touched this before. It's pretty fucking chunky. Oh my god. Why does all CoverGirl... I've never ever put lipstick on before and been disgusted by the smell. I'm gonna throw up. This is disgusting. Okay, but like honestly though, now that I put it on, I'm not mad at it. It feels, I mean, it smells like ass, but it feels good. And it looks pretty bomb, honestly. This is actually pretty dope. It's matte, so let's see how it looks when it dries. Or if it dries down. It feels like it's drying down. Alright, so the last product that I purchased was the CoverGirl Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. Looks like this. Am I ready to set this? I'm just putting a very light amount on. One last thing before I lock up my look. I need to put some eyeshadow on. Okay. Alright, let's set this. Nothing came up. Oh my god, it smells like watermelon, or it tastes like watermelon perfume. I got some in my mouth. That was horrible. It seriously smells so strong, like watermelons or something. Like some kind of, I don't know, some kind of thing like that. Like some kind of melon. And it comes out like in a very small area. Like instead of a mist, it comes out in one spot like that. I fucked up the eyes a little bit. That's not even the CoverGirl part though. I don't know why I decided to just go for it and do something that I knew was going to turn out bad. So this is my full face of CoverGirl-ish products, or I should say this is my fullish face of CoverGirl products. Basically, my advice would be lipstick. I hated that there was not much in it. It looks good though, and it feels good. And another thing about the lipstick, none. Does not transfer. This is very lightweight, but still very pigmented. Like, I can't see my cat. I can't see my lips under, like my lip color under it at all. And I really like this color. This stuff, it seems like it did an okay job, but like honestly, like the Master Fix or whatever by Maybelline or whatever, I like a lot better. The concealer is okay, but nothing to write home about. I would not buy this product ever again. In fact, I'm going to return it today. I would say that the highlighter and the lipstick are probably the only things that I would get again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe down below. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you've tried any of these products, what you thought about them, if maybe I was like using one of them incorrectly, or anything like that. Leave a comment as soon as possible so that I can, maybe if one of you guys gives me a suggestion on a different way to use one of the products, I won't return it. Alright, thank you for watching.